is a pack cover. I'd like to go over a few features of this. So when you get your rain cover from Unigear, it's going to come like this. And it did come in a little plastic bag. It gives you a little pamphlet. I do like that it comes in its own little pouch. The pouch has a small little grommet in the bottom, so naturally it'll be able to drain any type of wetness that it could. This is a decent size. I do like how they included the straps, so you got one going from top to bottom and left to right. This material is made of 70D and 210T nylon. It comes in sizes from small to extra large, and you can also get it in black, blue, gray, orange, and green. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and fit it on my Lowepro BP 450 AW2, I believe they called it. It's a mouthful. So we'll go ahead and take these buckles, one on each side, logo facing up. As you can see, this is a pretty big bag. I probably would have went with maybe an extra large just to have it wrap around a lot more. These bags already come with a pack cover, so if you ever were to rip your pack cover, this would be a good replacement. The logo is also reflective, so that's a good safety measure that they put. And also here I've got a Lowepro BP 350 AW, and then I'll go ahead and test it out and see how it fits. So it's just a little smaller than the 450. Make sure your logo's facing up. On this one, I'll give you guys a shot of it. Just make sure you get it all wrapped around. You'll take your buckle, take the top, click it in, cinch it down. Take your side buckle, make sure the strap is straight. Feed it around. And there you have it. I would say the large pack cover will go for instance, I'm using this as an example. This is the 350 BP Whistler AW from Lowepro.